Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get this garland right here. I posted this pic on my Instagram about a month ago of this garland on my stairs, and I received a ton of questions asking me exactly how to do it. So today you can see it is snowing and the girls are outside playing. I'm about to have them come inside, and I'm going to take you guys along with me as I go shopping to pick up everything we need to recreate this look. Okay, so we headed to my local Home Depot store, where the first place we are stopping are these bundles of different greenery. They are priced at $7.98. I picked up a couple of those. I also picked up this 20-foot cedar garland. These are priced at $19.98. If you grab two of them for the area that I am working on, it should be more than enough. Here is another section of mixed greens. The key to achieving this look is to pick 3 different pines. So I just wanted to show you the variety that they have here today. Also, they have this white pine roping, which is beautiful as well, and this is good for people who have allergies, and this was priced at $17.98. Alright guys, my husband was nice enough to bring all of the garland upstairs, and we spread it out. We put it in our bathtub. Now what we want to do is soak this overnight with cold water. So we are just going to fill this bathtub up until everything is submerged. Smells amazing. What do you think, Bianca? Does it smell so good?
It smells really good, like minty freshness.
It's like minty freshness.
Yeah.
Are you having fun while we wait for the garland to soak? Yeah. So the next morning you are going to want to drain your bathtub and let your garland completely dry out. Then you're going to want to use this wilt proof to help seal it in so that it keeps all of the moisture that you helped soak into it overnight. You are going to want to do this outdoors preferably. Doesn't necessarily have to be in sunlight, but it should be outdoors, and you're going to let it set for about 3 to 4 hours, and this will help your garland last. Whenever I do indoor garland in the wintertime, I use this technique, and it has helped my garland last in the past up to 3 months. Today's video is in collaboration with my sweet new friend Veronica. Her channel is called So Very Veronica. I know you guys will love her. She is a married mama of 2 beautiful children. She lives in Las Vegas, and she is passionate about all things home. She creates amazing content for mamas and homemakers. Her decor is so beautiful. It's going to give you all the Christmas feels. Veronica is decorating her upstairs today for Christmas. So after you are done watching this video, make sure to check my description box. I will have a link to Veronica's video. Make sure you leave her a comment and let her know I sent you. All you will need today to hang this garland is some twine and scissors. Both you can find at the Dollar Tree. You are going to start by unwinding your garland. I like to take it and drape it all the way up the stairs. That way, as you start to hang it, it's already laying exactly where it needs to be. I like to start at the bottom of the stairs. You are going to drape some of it so that it hangs all the way to the side of the banister. Once you have the area that you like that drapes, you are going to want to help secure it in each area. For me, it is everywhere that the banister comes out to a point. I stop and I tie a piece of twine. I like to double knot it on top, and then I loop it underneath and double knot it again.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
For the handrail at the top of the stairs, I like this garland to drape a little bit more because I'm not hanging any ornaments from this part because it is too narrow of a space with people walking down. I like the garland to hang a little bit more. I think it looks better that way, and it's a little bit more decorative. If you leave it kind of tight against the handrail, that is okay as well. It's all just personal preference, but for me, I like it to drape. So try it out and see what you think.
Everything will be okay, 'cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you.
At the top of the stairs, I am going to go ahead and cut the garland. I am going to find a piece of the garland that swoops downwards. I'm going to cut that piece and then I'm going to reattach it using my twine, double knotting it on the top and double knotting it underneath. This way it's going to just drape nicely and you'll see as soon as I'm finished how it lays.
I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference.
Now we are going to go ahead and repeat the same exact technique but on the opposite side of the handrail.
Than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
This is the part of the handrail that we are going to be hanging ornaments, so make sure when securing your garland you don't let it hang very low. We are using the same technique that we used at the top of the stairs, where you are going to cut a piece of the garland that drapes downward nicely and a small piece of twine, and you are going to reattach it at the bottom of the handrail in a downward motion. You're going to double knot it up top and double knot it on the bottom. Make sure it is secure since there will be ornaments hanging from here. Next, we are incorporating this cedar bunch. I love the way that this looks and I love the way that it hangs. We are actually going to cut this apart and separate it into two pieces and add it right here where it's a little bit bare.
I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything.
Once you have split the bundle into two pieces, you are then going to cut a small piece of twine and you are going to tie it around the top of the new bundle and make a knot to secure it. Now you're going to take the new bundle that you just created, split it in half again. You are then going to drape it at the bottom of the handrail. You are going to repeat the same technique on the other side, splitting the new bundle in half, draping it over the end of the opposite handrail. Once it is laying exactly how you like it, step back. You're going to want to make sure that it's balanced on both sides. After you know that it is balanced on both sides, you will then take twine and you are going to secure it. I am now also adding new pieces of pine into the garland, but as you can see, it's hanging a little bit too low. Like I had mentioned earlier, that's what you don't want. So I'm grabbing again some more twine and we are going to secure it so it's a little bit tighter to the handrail. I mentioned earlier, in order to get this look, you are going to need to use 3 different types of pine. We just went from cedar. Now we are using the Michigan blue spruce. These pine needles are really sharp and can be very painful to work with. Maybe use some gloves if you feel that it is starting to hurt your hands. But the blue spruce is a little bit firmer and will stand upright, so it's going to give you a lot more height when decorating your handrail. Because the branches of the blue spruce were so thick, I'm going to take a small piece of cedar and I'm going to use this to help cover up the branches so that visually it just looks a little bit better. Now that we are done hanging the garland, we are going to take small pieces of cedar and we are going to use this to hide the twine so that it is not visible at all. Do you see how that looks so much better than having to look at the twine? So you will then continue this technique all the way up the stairs, covering any area that you have used to secure the garland. And as soon as you are done doing that, we are going to start adding the ornaments. To achieve this look specifically, you are going to want to use a combination of ornaments that are both matte and sparkly, also ones that hang. I'm using some long hanging ornaments that I got from Target, also some glittery snowflakes, and you are just going to want to make sure that it is the exact same on both sides. My last tip for you is make sure that you are using wire ornament hangers. This is just going to make it a lot easier to manipulate and twist into the branches. After that, I will then give you a tour so you can see how everything turned out.
In my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You let me, doesn't matter.
So here it is, guys, the finished look. I hope that you absolutely love it, and I hope this answered everyone's questions. If there are any additional questions that you have regarding this look, make sure to leave me a comment in the comments down below. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I hope that you guys stick around and like and subscribe and become a part of my YouTube family, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.